So what we have is an app called Crowdify. And what Crowdify does is it allows a group of people who want to listen to music do it together cooperatively. So the way we do that is we have our clients here, and this is just an iOS app running Objective-C. And what it is it's what we have playing now. We have a little playlist down here for what's coming. If we want to add songs to it, we have the option to. You can go up here, you can query songs. This runs off of the Spotify API. This is not connected to the internet and actually talks to our server over here that does all of the handling to Spotify. So this is not connected to the internet or Spotify, which allows us to be quicker and faster than the Spotify app is. So if I want to search something like, say, I'm a fan of Lindsey Sterling, so I'm going to search Lindsey. And when I tap on a song to add, it immediately syncs to all other phones that are currently a part of this server-client relationship. And it does that quick, and it does that fast, and it does it lightweight. Brandon's going to tell you how we do it.
A lot of the reason we can do that, there's really sort of two parts here. The first part, these two guys over here wrote this beautiful data layer in Objective-C that takes, this custom JSON parser completely from scratch, taking only the pieces that we need, pushing it to all the clients. The back end here is running a couple of Flask servers, right? And what that's doing is it's querying the Spotify API, grabbing back all the gobbledygook it spits out, and it's, turning it into something nice. Additionally, the back end Flask servers are responsible for keeping the priority queue together. So, as you saw before, you can upvote and downvote songs. Any user on the network can do that. So when that voting occurs, that client has to communicate that to the server can resort the songs and then push that to the clients. There's no need to refresh from the clients, everything's done with WebSockets, so we can keep it fast, we can keep it speedy, and we can keep everyone listening to music. The other thing I really like about the backend is the fact that it pulls multiple databases together. So not only can we use the Spotify database for grabbing music from Spotify, but we can also search the local machine and other machines on the network for MP3 files, in which we can query key terms and serve those to phones. So if there's a song on someone's computer on the network that isn't on Spotify, maybe something like a different remix, or maybe something by an artist who doesn't have anything on Spotify like Taylor Swift, what you can do is if you have those local MP3s on one of the machines, they are indexed and they can be searched and played onto this Bose speaker just like anything else.